In this video, we are going to fix Microsoft Store error code 0x80073cfe. So without any further ado, let's get started. The first solution that you can do is that you need to reset the Microsoft Store. How we can do that at the button search bar, please type for Store. Wait until you can see a best match, which is the Microsoft Store. Please make a right click and then click on App Settings. Okay, so wait until this procedure would be finished. Just have to click on run and wait until it will be finished. Okay, so restart your computer as well and check if the error has been fixed. Okay, but if not, then I want you to proceed to the next solution. The next solution that you can do is that you need to try to sign out your Microsoft account, and then once done, sign it in again and check if the error has been fixed. Okay, but if the issue still persists, then I want you to check your internet connection, see if you are connected or not, okay? But if it marks there, no internet, try to use another network connection that is available in your area and check if the error has been resolved, okay? And the last solution that you can do if the error still persists is to run SFC and DISM scans. Navigate at the button search bar, type for CMD, and then wait until you can see a best match, which is the command prompt system. And from that, click on Run as Administrator. And then from here, I want you to copy the commands that I have given at the YouTube description. Please copy this one by one, paste it here. Proceed to the second copy and paste it here once you have completed the previous. So click on the enter key and then wait until the procedure would be finished. And once you have done it, restart your computer as well and you're good to go. Now, if you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click or turn on the notification bell so that you will be notified for more upcoming tutorials. Thank you and have a good day.